In this video, we'll cover how to install and use your Chrome extension. The first step is to ensure that you've downloaded the Chrome extension zip file to your device. If you haven't done that yet, then please do so now. In order to do that, you need to right-click on the zip file and then from the menu, select Download and click. So once you've downloaded the Chrome extension zip file, navigate to Downloads folder on your device, like I've done here, and then you will see the zip. It will look something like this. Right-click on the zip, and then in the menu, scroll down to where it says Extract All, click there, and then click this button. You don't need to change anything here. You don't need to hit Browse. All you need to do is click Extract. The next step is to open up your Chrome browser and then type in Chrome//extensions. So just like it shows here. Now your extension page will probably look very different to mine, and that would depend on the extensions you have installed, or if you don't have any installed, then you wouldn't see any extensions here. Now if you don't already have the Chrome browser on your device, then navigate to google.com/Chrome and then hit the Download Chrome button. So in your extensions window, what you next need to do is click the little button here in the top right hand corner that says Developer Mode. Click there and then click on Load Unpacked. Then click on Downloads again and look for the file that you've just extracted from the zip. Click there and then click Select Folder. And now you can see the extension is added to your Chrome extensions page. Once you've installed your Chrome extension, if you come up to the top and click on the little jigsaw piece where it says Extensions, click there and then navigate down to the Chrome extension and then click on the little pin. And this will pin the extension to your browser. So now you can see the extension is pinned up here. Now at this point your Chrome extension is installed and there is just one final step you need to complete before you can start using the extension. So if I click on the extension, you can see here that we need to add in our OpenAI API key. So let's do that now. Now in order to get your key, you will need an OpenAI account. If you don't have an account, you can open one here. So navigate to this URL or just Google OpenAI account. Set up your account if you don't already have one. If you do, then simply log in. Once inside your account, if you click on the little settings icon here, you'll see API keys on the left-hand side. Click there and then click Create New Secret Key. So you can see here that I've added in a name. This is optional, project, default project, permissions, I've left as all, and then create secret key. So I simply click this button here. Now it's important to point out that this key will only show once. Okay, so make sure that you copy this and add it straight into the extension, or at the very least, make a note of it. So copy and done. Now back to the extension page, I click on the extension icon, click the OpenAI key, and then paste the key in there, and then click Save. And now you can see when I click the icon, it's ready to use. So next I'll show you how the extension works and what it does. So once installed and set up, using the one-click promo Chrome extension is exceptionally easy. All you need to do is navigate to the sales page for the product that you want to promote. In this case, I've navigated to Escape Plan IS1. Then all I need to do is click the icon and then click this button here that says Generate Promotional Materials for the current page. And now over the space of roughly 60 seconds, the Chrome extension will generate the promotional materials that you need to promote this offer. So here you can see it's created a summary, email subject lines, email body, and bonus ideas. So now you can copy all of this by clicking this button and use this material in your promotion. The extension also has history built in. So if I go back to the extension, click it again, you can see that it stores our projects here. So for example, if we hadn't copied the materials generated by the Chrome extension, you can just click on the Chrome extension icon again, and then click on the View button next to any of the projects that you would like to revisit.